Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can log into your Venmo account. Follow these simple steps. First, open the Venmo app or website. You can access Venmo via the mobile app available on iOS or Android or by visiting the Venmo website to enter your credentials. Once you on the login page, you'll need to enter the email address, phone number or username you use when creating your Venmo account along with your password. If you have a business profile, you can use the same credentials as your personal account. 3. Two-factor authentication. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your phone or email. This step help protect your account from unauthorized access. 4. Password reset. If you're forgotten your password or are having trouble logging in, you can click on forgot password and follow the instruction to reset it. Guys, if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video and bye bye and take care.